every crisis, no matter how severe it is, but it has positive aspects. It awakens people from their negligence, and generates new paradigms from them. They would not have reached them if they had continued their usual routine. The best example of this is the coronavirus, which, despite its risks and drawbacks, has a lot of positives on the environment and people. You can learn about the most important advantages of corona on the environment and people through the following lines. Environmental improvement has improved. A recent study reported that the ozone layer continues to recover, and has the ability to fully recover, and according to a scientific paper published in the scientific journal Nature, a sign of rare success appeared in reversing environmental damage, and it was found that coordinated global action can make a difference. The ban on various aspects of life in Italy has reduced the pollution of the Grand Venice Canal. The water of the canal appeared more pure after the reluctance of tourists, and the movement of navigation stopped, amid millions of Italians staying at their homes, fearing the high level of infection with the virus, which claimed the lives of many. In Hebei province, China, closing factories and limiting movement to prevent an outbreak of the coronavirus resulted in a decrease in pollution. NASA and the European Space Agency published pictures taken by satellites, showing the positive impact of the spread of the coronavirus on the environment in China. Australia is recovering, and koalas return to nature after forest fires. Family rapprochement restored, family cohesion and interdependence returned to families, and members of the same family wrapped around the dining table daily, as parents communicated with children. All after the family was in a state of imbalance due to social changes and economic transformations, and the emergence of social networks that caused raising the ceiling of social isolation and spacing within the same house. It provides the time required for an individual to learn new skills or develop existing talents, or allocate time for home sport and other mental and physical health promotion. Demonstrate the importance of technology in dealing with telecommuting and distance education, and to provide its services to people from a distance. The global outbreak of the coronavirus showed the importance of technology in managing crises, along with entertainment and entertainment. After these positives for coronavirus, what do you think? Am I right or wrong?